Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Sony A95k with the LG C3, and I'm going to show you some important things that I found out. Maybe some of it's going to be valuable to you. So the first thing is that they got both application store, both got on and off timer, both got sleep timer, both got closed captions, auto calibration, auto HDR tone mapping, auto generate pictures. So both got covered in those things. Now when we're gonna go even further, both got access to DTS, so that's good. And both got things like the picture modes like cinema, game, graphics, photo, custom, so you can really play around with both. And both got also the Bravia Sync. And then another thing is that when I went even further, you can have both Wi-Fi. So these are like some important things. Now when I looked on the reviews, there is like wonderful site called ratings.com. I don't know if you know it. They make one of the best reviews on the internet in my opinion. So you can just like look here and see that for TV shows the Sony is better, for the mixed usage the same, sports really similar, video games is better the LG, then the HDR movies kind of similar, HDR gaming similar, PC monitor similar, and even when I look here that you would like to use it for sports, you see it's kind of similar, and that's pretty much it. So I just want to make this like a quick video for you regards both and what are some important things for you to know, and I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. Now it really comes down to preference. So like many times when I compare, I can say that based on the stats, like the one is better or comparing to the other, but here it just like really depends on your intuition. I know sounds strange, but like look at both right now. When you would like open ratings, or you would open both of the products and have it like this. And I don't know if you're watching until this point, I don't know if it ever happened that in your life that you would have to do something or go somewhere or just meet with someone and you would know that that's a bad thing to do. Is that someone would tell you that I shouldn't go there, or I shouldn't eat that food, that you would have a plate with the food and you felt something off about it. But you couldn't just do, it's like, it's just the food, right? But in the moment when you would eat it, you would have trouble with the stomach. Or when you would meet with the person, you would know that, I shouldn't meet with them. And this is the thing, right? So can you use that also here? Can you look on a Sony? Can you look on a LG? And let your intuition guide you which one is the right thing. And trust more that, because like, let me tell you, everything is just the energy. And if you can sense the energy of these things, then you don't have to watch any reviews at all. That's the beauty of the life right there. So have a great day and goodbye.